In this video, we're going to be going over the parts on the C model machine, the control panel. Now the control panel is used to do so many things on your cutter. It's used, of course, to move the blade holder or other tool to the origin you wish to use for your project. It can be used to set the pressure, speed, number of passes, number of repeats, and where the carriage moves at the end of a job. You can pause a cut, abort a cut, and even repeat a cut. The control panel has a built-in calibration function for the camera. You can set up a Wi-Fi connection to your home or office network. You can even customize the lighting and choose what happens at the end of a cut. All of these various functions and more will be covered in later videos. The blade carriage moves the blade holder left and right. When the cutter is powered off, you can move it by hand, but when the cutter is powered on, it could damage the cutter if you attempt to move it. Thus, always use the control panel and the arrows to set the blade holder to its new location. This is the blade holder, or jaws as they're most often called, are used to mount either the blade holder or another tool into your cutter. On the C model, a single handle raises and lowers all the pinch wheels at one time. With the handle in the down position, the wheels are raised up, allowing you to insert the material or cutting mat. Once the material or cutting mat is in position, raise the handle to lower the wheels. Each pinch roller on the C model has a small black pressure tab that can be used with certain materials to grip tighter. Keep these tabs in the up position on all the wheels unless you are cutting a material that requires them to be down. The pinch wheels can be slid left to right in order to best position them for the material being cut. These white arrow labels indicate where the pinch wheel can be located so that they are over a rough roller at the bottom, which are called grit shafts. More about this is covered in a later video. This entire side is referred to the right end cap. The other side is referred to the left end cap. Now the top also is sometimes called the cover or the lid. It can be popped open if the need ever arises for a particular repair. Notice the light gray strip running from end cap to end cap. This is a cutting strip, and the center of the blade holder seats directly over the cutting strip, which protects the machine in case the blade accidentally cuts too deeply. You will want to avoid getting cuts in the cutting strip as it can eventually begin interfering with the quality of the cuts, but the cutting strip can be replaced if needed. The power button is located on the front of the machine on the right end cap. Simply press the button and turn the machine on. To turn it off, you'll have to press and hold the button. On the outside of the right end cap are the following from front to back. A UART port, which is used to load PLT files from a flash drive in the event it's more convenient than sending them directly from a computer. A USB port, used to connect a USB cable from your computer to your cutter. The power port is used to connect the power adapter, which came with your C model cutter. And that concludes the C model parts.